Hey everyone, the Huawei MateBook X Pro 2024 has made its global debut, offering a high-end laptop experience with a 2K touch-enabled OLED screen, Intel Meteor Lake processors, and Thunderbolt 4.0 ports. Initially launched in China earlier this year, the MateBook X Pro is positioned as a strong competitor to the MacBook Air, boasting superior specifications in several areas. The MateBook X Pro features a stunning 14.2-inch flexible OLED panel with a resolution of 3120 by 2080, delivering a 1K display experience. This touch-enabled screen supports a 120 Hz refresh rate and achieves a peak brightness of 1000 nits, with a delta E below 0.1 for exceptional color accuracy. This high-quality display outshines the current MacBook Air, which has yet to adopt OLED technology. Weighing just 980 grams, the MateBook X Pro 2024 is impressively light and is available in 3 colorways: black, white, and Miranda blue. The laptop sports a CNC milled unibody chassis, enhancing its durability and aesthetic appeal. Inside, the 3-segment PCB design allows more space for the cooling system and core components, with redesigned fans that offer 22% more airflow and reduced noise compared to previous models. The MateBook X Pro is powered by Intel's new Meteor Lake processors, offering a choice between the Intel Core Ultra 9 185H and the yet-to-be-confirmed Intel Core Ultra 7 155H for the global market. While it lacks a dedicated GPU, it relies on the Intel Arc integrated GPU for graphics tasks. The laptop can be configured with up to 32 gigs of memory, likely LPDDR5X, and offers up to 2 terabytes of storage. For connectivity, the MateBook X Pro includes 2 Thunderbolt 4.0 ports and 1 USB-C port. The omission of a USB-A port aligns with its sleek, minimalist design as a MacBook alternative. The laptop supports Wi-Fi 6E, although it can be upgraded to Wi-Fi 7 through a software update in the future. The MateBook X Pro is equipped with a 72 watt-hours battery that supports 90-watt fast charging over USB-C, although some regions may receive a 65-watt charger instead. Additional features include a 1080p webcam with a physical privacy shutter and Windows Hello support for secure login. The Huawei MateBook X Pro combines powerful hardware with innovative software features like SuperHub and SuperDevice, enhancing its appeal as a productivity powerhouse. These features not only improve the user experience, but also position the MateBook X Pro as a versatile tool for both professional and personal use, capable of seamless integration within the Huawei ecosystem. Overall, the Huawei MateBook X Pro 2024 is distinguished by its powerful Intel Meteor Lake processors, brilliant OLED display, and cutting-edge networking options. Its elegant appearance and lightweight construction make it a desirable option for both business and education, raising the bar for high-end laptops. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.